Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Between the flooding rain and some critter, don't know who, getting in my garden and eating my corn. This one here is already, yeah, it looks like it's starting to grow, but it's already been busted, so it's wasted. So I have my Massey Ferguson GC1723 on 3E. Sorry. I got the beast on the front with the Triton forks, and what I'm doing, I'm in here pulling what's damaged from the storm and from animals. Let's get some work done. I tell you, the beast with those forks on is the best worker. What I did first thing this morning, after I got everyone fed and watered, I moved the straw from which that one stack, if you've been following my channel, you see me move straw using this tool. And this time I moved it from there and put it in my compost pile way over in the corner. So, I've been digging through this corn, picking out what I may get something out of and what I won't. So you have to really look at this very carefully. Now I see on this one here, there's 2 ears. That one's got 1. This doesn't have anything on it. So I'm going to pull it out, take it off, drop it on the beast. And it will go on a stack, and I'll explain why I'm doing it this way. Let me see here. Somebody bit into this. Is there any more on it? Nope. Smells really good. God, that was such good corn too. We had 1 ear so far. Last year, cornfield didn't go too well. First time in the that soil, I think I had 3 ears out of it. Something gnawed on this. And this is what I've been doing this morning. I mean, I'm not a farmer, but I come from a line of farmers, dairy farmers. In order to have dairy cows, you have to have grain. Feed the cows. That one's got something in it. So, this is what I've just been doing. Got some growing in there. If it's not doing anything, to me, there's just no point having it in the ground. Now you notice the soil. It's looking pretty good. We're going to be doing this fall a total renovation of the garden, mainly on this side. But this side needs some help. Anything here? Nope. And I'm going to explain to you why I'm pulling these things out and not mowing them down. I know a lot of gardeners mow their stuff down. I have a reason for it. I hope all of your gardens are going well, at least better than mine. That flooding rain flooded this whole thing. So I need to do an elevation change. Even though my garden is on a downhill slope, it still tends to collect water in various places. I look at it this way. Take out the unproductive ones, gives the other ones a chance to produce, and maybe I'll get a few more ears. I like to eat the fruit of my labor. Instead of throwing my money away. It's so heartbreaking. Not looking good, guys. I think I'm only going to get that fine a seed. If they can grow it out in the field for feed for a cow and for fuel, I should be able to get something that will work. To go on my mount. It's like the third time I've been devastated by the hands of God. I had my corn eliminated. Many years ago, I guess it was 2010, I had a nice garden out here. I had 40 rows of corn, Silver Queen. Sweet corn. All right. I got 10 plants out of many in the garden here. 10. Hopefully I can get 20 ears of corn. I can only hope. Now the reason I'm pulling these corn stalks out, I'm stacking them on a pile so they will, break down. I'm going to be digging up the garden here. I got some rocks down in the bottom I need to get out. I thought it was a good idea at the time. I was wrong. I think it's one reason why the sunflowers didn't grow, because they went down so far and stopped. Sunflowers, what I understand, they need a long root system. And that's why they didn't do very well. They didn't really grow up. The soil probably not that great over here, and I know because I did a soil test. It's great over here and it sucks over here. So, when the garden is done, at least on this side, my blueberry bushes and that freezer is coming out, the pipe, everything, I'm going to dig down, get to those rocks, going to yank them out, and then I'm going to put the soil back and heap it up. I want to try to get it to where the water is actually going to flow out of here. Now I'm going to come do another 8 feet, and I'm going to continue on up until I get to about close to this gate. So that's about roughly 3 whiffs of my Massey Ferguson GC 1723E. This tractor with this fork setup is great for anywhere on a farm, residential, or on a homestead, such as I'm trying to build. So, that's it. I'll see you next time.